A coin bank contains 24 nickels and quarters. The coins have a total value of $3.20. Find the number of nickels and the number of quarters in the bank. So, the first thing we've got to do is label variables. So we have nickels and quarters, and they don't seem to be related to each other in any specific way. So we can just let x be any one of the two values. So I'm going to let x be the number of nickels. Then to find the number of quarters, well, there are 24 coins in total, right? So you can say if you take the total number of coins and then subtract the number of nickels, then that should give us the rest, right? The number of quarters. So now we know that the coins have a total value of $3.20, and this will help us come up with our equation. So we know that if we add up the total value of nickels and the total value of quarters, we'll get $3.20. So it helps to make a table to visualize. So for example, you make a table with number of coins, the value of each coin, and the total value written in cents, right? So for example, if we're looking at nickels, well, there are X number of nickels, and each nickel is worth 5 cents. So to find the total value, you take 5 cents times however many nickels there are, so 5x. And then for quarters, the number of quarters is 24 minus x, and they're worth 25 cents each. So the total value is going to be 25 cents times however many quarters there are, which is 24 minus x. So now that we have these two values, these are the two values we need to be able to solve the problem. The coins have a total value of $3.20, it says. So if you add up the total value of nickels and you add it to the total value of quarters, then it should give you $3.20. But notice that the left side of the equation is written in terms of cents, right? Not in terms of the dollar. So we're going to write the right side of the equation in terms of cents as well. And $3.20 is just 320 cents. So now we have a linear equation that we can solve. So the first thing I want to do is distribute this 25 over this difference. So we get 5x plus 25 times 24, which is 600, minus 25x is equal to 320. Combining like terms on the left side, we get negative 20x plus 600 is equal to 320. And so now, since we want to solve for x, let's subtract a 600 from each side of the equation. So we get negative 20x is equal to 320 minus 600, which is negative 280. So then finally, the last step to solve for x is I want to divide both sides of the equation by negative 20. So then x simplifies to 14. So now let's go back to the problem and see if we figured it out. It wants to know the number of nickels and the number of quarters in the bank, and we found x, right? And x is the number of nickels. So to find the number of quarters, then we just have to find 24 minus x. So 24 minus 14 is 10. So you can say there are 14 nickels and 10 quarters in the coin bank.